Question 18, part A. Show that the equation x cubed plus x equals 7 has a solution between 1 and 2. This is normally easiest to show by setting the equation equal to 0, so I'm taking 7 from both sides, and then substituting in the values 1 and 2, because if you get a change of sign, you find a solution. So when x is 1, I'm going to get 1 cubed plus 1 take 7. 1 cubed plus 1 is 2, take 7 is minus 5. There's my first mark. And then when x is 2, I'm now looking for a positive answer. I'm going to get 2 cubed plus 2 take 7, or 2 cubed is 8, plus 2 is 10, take 7 is 3. I've now got a positive answer, so I've got a change of sign here, and I've got my 2 marks. Part B, show that the equation x cubed plus x equals 7 can be rearranged to give x equals the cubed root of 7 minus x. So x cubed plus x equals 7. The first step is to take the x from both sides. So I'd have x cubed equals 7 take x. These things are a little easier if you keep your equal signs lined up. And I don't want x cubed, I want x, so I'm going to take the cubed root of 7 minus x. And I've got my mark. On to part C. Part C, starting with xo equals 2, use the iteration formula 3 times to find an estimate for a solution of x cubed plus x equals 7. So, the first time I'm going to use it, I'm going to have the cubed root of 7 take 2, because we were told to start with the number 2. 7 take 2 is obviously 5. So this is the cubed root of 5. I'm going to leave it as a cubed root of 5 to keep some level of exactness in the question. The second time I'm going to use it, I'm going to need the cubed root of 7 take the cubed root of 5. I should have mentioned that once I'd done my first line correctly, I've got a mark. You can see from this point I'm going to need to use my calculator. So I'm going to have the cubed root of 7 take away the cubed root of 5, and that gives me 1.7424. So 1.7, just move this out of the way, 424188. And I've now got 2 marks. And for my third iteration, I take the cubed root of 7 minus 1.742188. Obviously you can be using your calculator for this. So all I'm going to do is the cubed root of 7 minus my previous answer, and I get 1.73885, and I have my third mark.